Verifying your Instacart account is an important step to ensure your identity and secure your shopping experience. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Instacart app or website. Log into your Instacart account using the app on your mobile device or through the website on your computer. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Locate verification options. In the account settings menu, look for section labeled verification or account verification. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for verification. This may include your phone number, email address, or other personal details. Step 5. Confirm your identity. After submitting your information, you may receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter this code in the designated field to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your Instacart account should be verified, allowing you to enjoy a secure shopping experience. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support for assistance.